Hi guys, good morning. Today is the day that I will collect two new rims for my bike, those ones, and I will build two new wheels, and I should be able to continue my trip finally from Lilongwe, Malawi. I've been waiting between here and Lusaka a bit, about a month and a half. Okay guys, I'm back home. Let's come inside and I'll tell you. Let me sit down 1 second. Okay. What happened is I went to the bus station to collect my rims that they were sent from Lusaka, Zambia on a bus, and I went there and there was no package to collect. So a little investigation and the package is still in Osaka. They forgot to put it on the bus. So it's one more day of waiting, and hopefully tomorrow I get my rims. Very frustrating. Okay, day 2, going to the station, try and collect my new rims. Let's see if I'm lucky. So my new wheels. Let's see. Thank you very much to WTB for sending me replacement rims so I can continue my trip. And now my rims are in the hands of this professional Malawian that is gonna work magics and build two new wheels that will last for the next 3 continents.
Muka, ciao Muka. Piove cazzo, governo ladro.